Orlando, the theme park capital of the world. Orlando is one of the most visited cities on Earth, but what most people don't realize is that Orlando didn't become famous overnight. Over time, this city grew into one of the world's most famous entertainment destinations. Millions of families arrive every year searching for something rare: childhood nostalgia, adventure, imagination brought to life. But Orlando is more than theme parks. Beyond the castles and roller coasters lies a city filled with lakes, neighborhoods, wildlife, and culture. And later in this video, we'll explore the side of Orlando that many visitors never discover. Chapter 1. Where you stay defines your Orlando experience. In Orlando, your hotel location can change your entire trip. Most travelers choose accommodations near the theme parks. The area surrounding International Drive is packed with hotels, restaurants, shopping centers, and entertainment venues designed specifically for visitors. Resorts near Walt Disney World Resort create immersive environments where the experience continues beyond the parks. Many include themed pools, transportation to the parks, and early entry privileges. Downtown Orlando offers a completely different atmosphere. Around Lake Eola, modern apartment towers and restaurants create a vibrant city center where locals gather, jog, and attend weekend events. Hotels across Orlando range from massive family resorts to luxury golf properties surrounded by tropical landscapes. Choosing the right area allows you to balance park excitement with quieter moments exploring the city. Chapter 2. The iconic Orlando experience. Orlando's identity revolves around storytelling. The largest attraction in the region is Walt Disney World Resort, a massive entertainment complex that includes multiple theme parks, water parks, hotels, and entertainment districts. Magic Kingdom represents the heart of the Disney experience. Cinderella Castle rises above streets designed to resemble small-town America. Parades and fireworks transform the park into a spectacle each evening. Epcot explores global cultures and futuristic ideas through pavilions representing different countries and architectural visions. Nearby, Universal Orlando Resort immerses visitors in cinematic worlds where movie sets become fully interactive environments. These parks redefine what entertainment spaces can become. But Orlando's story doesn't end at the park gates. Chapter 3. The real Orlando beyond the theme parks. If you only visit the theme parks, you miss the real Orlando. Downtown Orlando offers a refreshing contrast to the tourist districts. At the center of the city lies Lake Eola, a beautiful urban park surrounded by modern skyscrapers. Walking paths circle the lake, while swan-shaped paddle boats glide slowly across the water. The iconic fountain in the center lights up at night, creating a peaceful atmosphere in the heart of the city. On weekends, farmers markets bring local vendors selling handmade goods, fresh produce, and street food. Musicians perform along the waterfront, while families gather beneath palm trees. Just north of downtown lies Winter Park, one of the most charming neighborhoods in Central Florida. Park Avenue serves as the heart of the district, lined with boutiques, art galleries, and sidewalk cafes shaded by large oak trees. Another fascinating area is the Milk District, a creative neighborhood filled with murals, independent restaurants, and craft breweries. The area reflects Orlando's growing artistic community. Behind the fantasy of Orlando's theme parks, there is a real city filled with culture and creativity. Exploring these neighborhoods provides balance to the excitement of the parks. Chapter 4. Daytime exploration, nature, lakes, and Florida wildlife. Orlando's landscape surprises many visitors. Central Florida contains hundreds of lakes and wetlands that shape the region's natural environment. Lake Eola provides the most recognizable urban setting. Walking around the lake offers views of downtown skyscrapers rising behind palm trees, while swans glide through the water. Just outside the city, The clear spring waters of Wekiwa Springs State Park provide a refreshing escape. Visitors swim in crystal-clear water, kayak along shaded rivers, or hike through forests filled with native wildlife. The Orlando Wetlands Park offers miles of boardwalk trails through marshland ecosystems where birds, turtles, and other native wildlife can often be seen in their natural habitat. Airboat tours across Florida wetlands deliver one of the region's most iconic experiences. These boats glide smoothly across shallow wetlands before slowing near wildlife habitats. Orlando's natural side reveals a completely different Florida. The contrast between theme parks and wilderness is one of the region's most fascinating features. Chapter 5: Orlando After Dark. In Orlando, the excitement doesn't end when the parks close. Every evening, fireworks illuminate the sky above Cinderella Castle, creating one of the most recognizable nighttime spectacles in the world. At Universal City Walk, restaurants, music venues, and entertainment spaces create a lively district just outside the theme parks. International Drive hosts dinner shows, interactive attractions, and entertainment complexes designed specifically for visitors looking for activity after dark. Downtown Orlando offers a more local nightlife scene, with rooftop lounges overlooking Lake Eola and the skyline. Orlando transforms after sunset, from family playground to entertainment city. Chapter 6: Where to Eat in Orlando. Orlando's dining scene has expanded dramatically in recent years. International Drive features restaurants representing global cuisines because millions of international visitors arrive here each year. Downtown Orlando and Winter Park now host modern food halls and chef-driven restaurants that showcase Florida ingredients and culinary creativity. Seafood plays an important role in local dining culture. Shrimp, grouper, and other regional catches appear on menus throughout the city. Some theme park restaurants even transform dining into immersive experiences with themed environments and performances. In Orlando, meals can become part of the adventure. Chapter 7: Day Trips from Orlando. One of Orlando's greatest advantages is its central location in Florida. Kennedy Space Center. A short drive east leads to the remarkable Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Visitors can stand beside massive rockets that carried astronauts into space and learn about NASA missions that shaped human exploration. The experience offers a powerful contrast to Orlando's fantasy attractions. Here, the stories are real. Cocoa Beach. Nearby Cocoa Beach offers a relaxing coastal escape. Surfers ride Atlantic waves while visitors stroll along the historic pier overlooking the ocean. Restaurants line the waterfront, and sunsets paint the sky above the water. After several exciting theme park days, the beach provides the perfect reset. Chapter 8: Tourist Mistakes in Orlando. Many first-time visitors underestimate how large Orlando's parks really are. Trying to visit multiple theme parks in a single day often leads to exhaustion rather than enjoyment. Another common mistake is overlooking Florida's intense heat and humidity. Long hours under the sun require hydration and afternoon breaks. Some travelers never leave the theme park areas and miss Orlando's lakes, neighborhoods, and natural landscapes. Others underestimate transportation time between parks, hotels, and attractions. The best Orlando trips balance excitement with rest. Slow down, explore beyond the parks, and allow time to enjoy the city itself. Orlando is imagination, adventure, escape. Feel the excitement, explore beyond the parks, discover the real city behind the magic. If this guide helped you explore Orlando smarter and avoid common mistakes, like this video so more travelers can discover Orlando. Comment below which city we should decode next. Subscribe to City Decode, because the world is bigger when you understand it. And remember, we don't just visit cities, we decode them.